Okay, hi and welcome. This is my website. My name is Siti Nur Fatihah binti Zuraimi. My metric number is E21800671. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor Science with honor in Natural Resources Science. Okay, and my high interest is to study on angiosperm, which are in Melastoma malabatricum. Okay, for the research title, my title is Comparative Chlorophyll Pigment Melastoma Malabatricum Variation in Jeli Kelantan. Okay, next for the introduction. The Melastoma malabatricum, or known as senduduk, are flowering plant species in Melastoma family, is known as vibrant flower and medical properties. It thrives in various habitats including lowland forests and distributed area. Melastoma malabatricum leaf, stem and roots are used for therapeutic benefit with bioactive compound like flavonoid, tannins and palonic acid contributing its medical potential. The plant is hard and adaptable, thriving in various environmental conditions and forming decent decay in the distributed area. The study is aimed to determine the chlorophyll pigment composition in Melastoma malabatricum and identify the difference in chlorophyll contractions between population in Jeli Kelantan, Malaysia. Okay, next for the objective, I have two objectives for this study. First, to determine the chlorophyll pigment composition in Melastoma malabatricum is second, to identify the differences in the chlorophyll pigment concentrations between population located in different areas of Jeli Kelantan. And problem statement, this study aims to compare the chlorophyll pigment compositions and concentration of Melastoma malabatricum population in Jeli Kelantan, focusing on physiological responses, adaptation, and environmental stresses. The finding will help understanding the plant adaptive strategy and provide valuable information for conversation. The study aimed to identify the significant variation in the plant adaptation and responses to the environmental in the area, as well as the factor influencing these differences. Okay, next for significance of study, studying chlorophyll pigment in the Melastoma malabatricum is crucial for understanding flower pigmentation and its medicinal properties. This plant is known for its beautiful flower, which come in a various color like purple, like pink, and white. Understanding chlorophyll pigment in Melastoma malabatricum can provide a comprehensive understanding in photochemical, antioxidantal properties, and a chlorophyll-related compound. Okay, next for literature review. As you can see, I have a 4 point of literature review. First, Melastoma malabatricum. As you can see, it belongs to the clade angiosperm and it's a shrub with a simple leaf and hairy texture. Melastoma malabatricum produces a pink to a purple flower with 5 petals, contributing its ornamental value. The plants contain bioactive compounds like flavonoid and so on, and it's a support biodiversity and serve a valuable resources for pollinators like a bee, butterfly, and birds. And next, for a second point is chlorophyll. The chlorophyll pigment are essential for photosynthesis. The process by which plants convert sunlight into the chemical energy. These unique green pigments are found in various plants and algae. They give a plants their characteristic green color, which is essential for the food and vegetable. Okay, for point number 3, photosynthesis in Melastoma malabatricum. Photosynthesis is the process which by plants, algae, and bacteria convert the light energy into the chemical energy in a form to sugar. Oxygenate photosynthesis is the most common, involving the transfer of electrons from water to carbon dioxide to produce a carbohydrate. Melastoma Malabathricum are tropical shrub species have been studied for physiological responses, growth, and reproductive phenology. However, a few studies has focused on photosynthesis in this plant species are higher when they grow in on seed soil. And the last point of this literature review is plant pigment. Plant pigment are essential for plants' color growth and development. They control photosynthesis, growth, and development are found in a various class of organic compound. Primary pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, which capture a light energy, convert it into a chemical energy. And these pigments are not only provide a visual appearance but also play crucial roles in a plant survival and reproduction. They have a potential health benefit and application in various industries, including food, cosmetic, and medicine. Okay, next, for methodology, as you can see, we can know about study areas, material, method, and data analysis. And these experiments, I will use the formula of ANOVA. Next. Okay, for the expected outcome, this study aimed to improve understanding of a chlorophyll pigment variation in Melastoma Malabathricum, its environmental, the genetic drivers, and ecological significance, contributing to the plant physiology, ecology, conservation, and agriculture. Next, for the budget, as you can see, the total of this research budget is 800 ringgit Malaysia. For it concludes the transportation, cost overhead, printing, material and supply, and equipment. Okay, for the Gantt chart, as you can see, we only have 5 months to do this activity, which are March, April, May, June, and July. For lastly, the submit final research proposal is on July, which are 1 July of 2023. This is the milestone, the table of the milestone that I have shown in this profile. And lastly, the reference. This is all the reference that I cite in this activity, which is in introduction, in literature review, in expected outcome, and so on. So as you can see, I listed A to Z for the references. And that's all for me. Thank you.